If you want to sign in to your MSN email account, this quick guide will walk you through the process step by step. Whether you are trying to access an older MSN address or you simply use Outlook to open your Microsoft email, this tutorial will help you get into your inbox with less confusion and fewer mistakes. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. First, open your web browser and go to Microsoft Outlook. MSN email is now accessed through Microsoft's email system, so Outlook is the main place where you'll sign in. Once the page loads, look for the Sign In button and click it. This will take you to the Microsoft login page where you can enter the email address connected to your MSN account. Type in your full email address carefully, then click Next. If your account is protected with extra security, Microsoft may ask you for a passkey or another verification method. This is normal, so just follow the prompts on screen. In some cases, if you are not using an Outlook email address yet, Microsoft may ask you to create an Outlook.com address before continuing. If that happens, you can enter the mail name you want and click Next to move forward. After that, complete any final sign-in steps, verify your account if needed, and wait for your inbox to load. Once you are signed in, you should see your Microsoft mailbox and be ready to read, send, and manage your emails. If you ever get stuck, double-check that you typed the correct email address, make sure your internet connection is working, and confirm that you are signing in through the official Microsoft Outlook page. That's the easiest way to access an MSN email account today. If you found this video useful, give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.